In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello in organizing your travel plans using templates. Let's dive right in and make your next adventure as seamless and organized as possible. To get started, we'll first create a new travel plan board. If you're not familiar with Trello's flexible system yet, don't worry. It's all about setting up boards that act like a digital bulletin board, perfect for organizing just about anything, including your travel plans. To open up a world of possibilities, go ahead and locate the Create button at the top of your Trello homepage. Once you click on it, you'll want to select Start with a Template. This is a fantastic way to leverage pre-designed structures tailored for specific purposes. Next, you'll need to click on Explore Templates to truly open your eyes to the wide variety of options available. This section showcases a plethora of templates curated for different needs, taking much of the planning load off your shoulders. In the search bar, type in Travel Plans. This will narrow down the templates to those related to travel, providing structures customized for organizing trips. You'll be presented with a selection of templates that cater to organizing itineraries, packing lists, and more. Have a look at the previews by clicking on them. This will help you decide which design and layout will work best for your particular trip. After pouring through and finding a template that fits your travel needs, it's time to make it your own. Click on Use Template to start setting it up. This is where your travel board begins to take shape. Go ahead and add a title for your new board, a fitting label that captures the essence of your upcoming adventure. It could be as simple as Summer Europe Trip or Hiking in the Rockies. You'll also need to select the workspace where this board will reside. A workspace can be thought of as a collection of boards, often grouped by project or interest, and you may have personal workspaces or shared ones with family and friends. Once you've made this decision, click on Create, and just like that, you've set up a travel plan board that will serve as your command center throughout your upcoming travels. You can now start adding lists, cards, notes, and other details to make sure that you're fully prepared for your journey. Remember, Trello is incredibly flexible, allowing you to customize your board further to fit your itinerary and personal preferences. Tailor it until it perfectly suits your style of planning. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully harnessed the power of Trello and its templates to streamline your travel planning process. Now, go ahead and enjoy your trip knowing everything is in order. Safe travels,